Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to mod Assetto Corsa on PC. Firstly, visit AssettoCorsa.club and scroll down to find the content manager, then click download. After installation, the launcher will open a setup screen. Fill in your Assetto Corsa root folder, usually in C drive. Now download the 7-zip plugin when prompt and click OK to finish the setup. Now, inside Content Manager, go to Settings, then Custom Shaders Batch. Click Install or Update. On the right-hand side, select the version you want, latest version recommended for new features. Now go to RaceDepartment.com and search for Soul and download the latest version. You'll need to create a free account to download. Once downloaded, extract the Soul folder and copy the apps, content, extension, and system folders. Go to your desired mode and download the zip file from the trusted source like RaceDepartment or Vosan. Drag the zip file onto the Content Manager, then click the 3 green bars on the top right corner and click Install. Repeat step 4 to install more mods. You don't need to repeat the first steps again. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.